we just washed Tony's hair. Now, before you attach anything, you want to make sure you underneath. That's why we always remove the hair underneath.
Like every time to time, 2 weeks or 3 weeks or?
Sure. Every time you can take the hair off, wash your scalp, wash your hair. And you choose where you want it to be.
Yeah.
And you put a mark here. Because your hair system will be fit your size.
Yeah.
If you send the perfect template.
Yes.
And the perfect measurement. So you don't have to worry about marking back here. What you do is make sure you just mark, put the hair back on. Okay?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, so as you see, we mark him. And now you want to make sure the lace is very dry. If it's not dry, the tape is not gonna get stick. So you dry your hair. What I'm doing right now is I'm spraying alcohol all around the edges. This is where we're gonna be doing the tape. Make sure after you spray the alcohol, make sure you dry it. Now you do have a variety of tapes to choose from. No shine, lace front, ultra hold. You can use all of these. You can use extender band for the lace system. So since Tony is taking off his hair every week, it doesn't have to be too strong. So what we can do is we just cut the extender band in half. Use only half of it.
Why the holes?
It's breathable. It makes your scalp breathe, so it's not sealing completely your scalp. So you asked me earlier, why is this all in one piece, and how do you size it? So when you cut it in smaller pieces, you can get it perfectly around the edges. I'll show you. Like I said, you can use any of these tapes for the lace. And you want to make sure you do it right on the edge.
Always.
Yeah. This tape alone by itself can work 2 to 3 weeks.
It depends also of the physical activity, right?
Yes. If you're very, very active, you can use it every 2 weeks. In the winter time, it can last even up to 4 weeks because the heat from the body and the sweating will melt down the tape. But if you're not that active, the tape can last you longer.
Yes. And allows me to go to the pool too. And
yes, you can swim.
Under the water, it could be fine.
It's not a problem. Yes, you can wash. I recommend you to wash it every day, if not every day, every other day, we highly recommend to wash. When you wash, it means you're washing the oil from your scalp, and then the tape will actually work longer. Mostly, when you have a little bit of hair around the edges, the tape will stay longer. A lot of the time, the front will be loose because there's no hair. There's nothing to grab on. That's why a lot of the time we recommend clients to learn how to change the front, the hairline, because it's going to lift, because there is nothing to hold on to. So that's why it's good to know how to do it. And this one will hold for at least good 2-3 weeks, so you don't have to change the back because you have some hair. Remember when we're doing the measurement, we always want to use a little bit of your good hair for the tape to hold on to.
Yeah, just to
yes. On the front, it's gonna be, if there's no hair, then it's not gonna hold. Okay, so as you see, we put the tape all around the edges.